Week 1 test taking skills, page 1. Number 1, Zara had a rectangular sheet of poster board that was 80 centimeters long and 60 centimeters wide. She cut the poster board in half. What was the area of each half of the poster board in square centimeters? So she had a rectangular sheet of poster board. So we know it's a rectangle. That was 80 centimeters long. So this is 80 and 60 centimeters wide. She cut the poster board in half. So we can cut the poster board either vertical or horizontal, only one way. What was the area of each half? Okay, so if I cut my poster board in half, then I have to cut this number in half. What is half of 80? Well, half of 80 is 40. So it means that this is 40 and this one is 40. So I am going to find, it says find the area of each half. So I'm going to find the area and I'm going to do, I know that area equals length times width. And the length, remember we cut the length in half because I'm only going to find the area of half of my poster board. So half of 80 was 40, so my length is 40 and my width is still 60. That's not going to change. So 40 times 60. So then area equals, well, what's 4 times 6? We have our trailing zeros. So 4 times 6 is 6, 12, 18, 24. Bring down your trailing zeros. 2,400 is your answer. So the area of each half is 2,400. So this is 2,400 and then this is 2,400. Number 2, Mr. Adams built a square pen for his goats. The area of the new pen was 676 square meters. Okay, so it's given us the area. We know that it's a square. So area equals side times side. We're looking for the area of a square. And here the area of a square is A equals side times side. So we don't know what our sides are, but we know that our area is 676. Which could be the dimensions of one side of the new pen Mr. Adams built. So what you're going to have to do is, if they're saying that this is one side, you're going to have to multiply 26 times 26 to see if it equals 676. 34 times 34 to see if that equals 676. And 36 times 36 equals 676. So you're going to have to solve for these to see which one is true, which one equals 676. Because if this is one side, remember we multiply side times side. So 26 times 26. So let's go ahead and do this one, and we're going to do our, it's 156. F, G, H, and J. So on letter F, let's go ahead and multiply that. 26 times 26. So we're going to do boot and pizza. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 2 is 12, 13, 14, 15. Now let's do pizza. Drop your 0. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 more is 5. Oh, that one is 676. Okay, we would still keep checking the rest. So this one, possibility, 34 times 34. 4 times 4, 4, 8, 12, 16. 4 times 3, 4, 8, 12, plus 1 is 13. Pizza, drop your 0. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So this one is in the thousands, so we know G is out. So look at this one, 34 times 34 is in the thousands. So then we know that this one for sure is going to be in the greater than that one, and J is going to be greater. So our answer is F. Number 3, Joanna has a rectangular bookmark. Use the ruler provided to measure the length and width of her bookmark to the nearest inches. So we're finding the length and the width of the bookmark in inches. So make sure you're using the correct side. Okay, so here are the inches, and this side is about 3 inches, and this one is about right here about 7 inches. Okay, so the length and width is 3 inches and 7 inches. The question is, which measurement is closest to the area? Area, length times width of her bookmark in square inches. So area equals length times width. Area equals the length is 3 inches, the width is 7 inches. 7 times 3 is 21 square inches. So B is our answer, 21 square inches. Number 4, a landscape company planted congruent pallets of grass in a square yard. The length and width of one grass pallet is labeled in feet. Now look at this one, boys and girls. Each of these is 2 feet. So we can put 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2 because we're finding the total area of the grass planted in the yard in square feet. Area, length times width. If this is 2, this is 2, 2, 2, and 2. So let's see what our sides are. And it is so let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this side is 10 feet. This side is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This side is 10 feet. So we know that it is a square. So for the area of a square, that is side times side. One side is 10 feet. The other side is 10 feet. 10 times 10 is 100 square feet.